Hello friends, today I am Himanshi with my partner Mohak and I am going to show you how to make cheese sandwich. We will need 2 slices of bread, 1 bottle of sauce, some grated cheese, a spoon, chili flakes and oregano, supporter and a beaker. So let's start. First we will take the 2 slices of bread and put some sauce on them. Put some sauce on the first slice and then rub it with a spoon to spread it. Now take the cheese and sprinkle some and put some oregano and now the chili flakes. Now put some more cheese. The sandwich must be cheesy. Now again put some chili flakes and oregano. Don't put so much, as per your taste. Now heat the pan. Put the supporter on it. Let the pan heat. Put some cheese on the other slice. Put some chili flakes and oregano and another cheese. Let the pan is heating. Now put both the slices together and press it and put some cheese. Again put some cheese on the front. Put some chili flakes again and oregano. The pan is heated. Now we'll put the slice, the bread sandwich on it and cover it with the beaker. Now with this, the beaker will not let the air go up and it will be heated very much and the cheese would be spread it all over and the sandwich would be ready. It's going on.
Keep it up for 10 minutes and
after 10 to 15 minutes, take out the sandwich. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on it to make it more tastier. And now your cheese sandwich is ready. Thanks. Now cut it for between and ready to eat. Cheese sandwich is ready. Thanks. Like, share and subscribe.